So I will begin the report presentations based on our topic, which is the conceptual and the corporational framework of education TAKAFUL products. And first and foremost, my name is Maximilian Anatel. My metric number is 083753. And for the introduction, education TAKAFUL is a Sharia compliant financial product that helps secure a child's education through savings and protections based on mutual assistance. It is important in Malaysia due to rising education costs and the demand for Islamic financial products that are free from riba, gara, and also mashil. In this report, we will discuss the concept, comparison with conventional insurance and also products in Malaysia and the future challenges and prospects.
I'm Noshadiana. My metric number is 083806. I'll be talking about conceptual aspect of education TAKAFUL products. First is the expense planning. Education TAKAFUL is based on Islamic principles such as mutual help and fairness. It operates through models like wakalah and mudarabah, where contributions are divided into savings and protection funds. These savings are invested in Sharia compliant investments, while the tabaruk fund provides financial protection in cases of death or disability. Next is savings and investment. Education TAKAFUL also combines saving and protection in one plan. Unlike conventional insurance, it avoids elements prohibited in Islam such as uncertainty and gambling. Any surplus may be shared among participants or donated to charity, reflecting Islamic values of fairness and community benefit. Next is operational aspect of education TAKAFUL product. Education TAKAFUL is managed by licensed TAKAFUL operators under the supervision of Bank Negara Malaysia and the Islamic Financial Services Act 2013. Parents or guardians make regular contributions which are divided into savings and tabaruk funds. The funds are invested in Sharia compliant investments to grow savings and provide protection. The TAKAFUL operator manages the fund through wakalah fees or profit sharing under mudarabah. If the contributor dies or becomes permanently disabled, the child's education fund will continue to be paid. This system also ensures transparency, ethical management and compliance with Sharia principles.
My name is Novella Diveka, anak Don Hedley. I will present a comparison between conventional education insurance and education TAKAFUL in Malaysia. As a cost of higher education continues to rise, the need for long-term financial planning to secure a child's education future has become increasingly important. Parents are seeking financial protections to ensure that their children's education will not be disrupted by unexpected events that may affect the family's financial stability. The need is commonly fulfilled through two financial protections instruments, namely conventional education insurance and education TAKAFUL. Although both aim to provide financial security and educational savings, they differ significantly in terms of their principles, structures, and operational framework. First, conventional education insurance. Conventional education insurance is based on the concept of risk transfer between policyholder and the insurance company. Under this arrangement, the policyholder pays premium to the insurer in exchange for financial protection. Once paid, these premiums becomes the first property of the insurance company. The insurer then manages and invests these funds in conventional financial markets, which may include interest-based investment. Any profits or surplus generated from this investment belong exclusively to the company and its shareholders. Therefore, conventional insurance operates primarily as a commercial-driven system focused on profit generation. The next one is education TAKAFUL. Education TAKAFUL is established based on Islamic principles of mutual cooperation, known as ta'awun, and donation, known as tabaruk. Instead of transferring risks to a company, participants contribute to a collective fund that is used to assist fellow participants who face financial difficulties or cover losses. The funds contributed by participants are invested only in Sharia-compliant investment, ensuring that prohibited elements such as interest are avoided. The TAKAFUL operator manages the fund through contracts such as wakalah, which is a management fees arrangement, and mudarabah, which is a profit-sharing mechanism. Unlike conventional insurance, participants may receive surplus distributions or cashback when there are no claims and the funds perform well. This reflects the cooperative nature of the TAKAFUL system, where benefits are shared among participants. In conclusion, both conventional education insurance and education TAKAFUL provide financial protection for educational planning. However, the key distinction lies in their governing principle, operational structure, and investment practice, while conventional insurance is based on risk transfer and profit-oriented operations. Education Takaful is founded on mutual assistance, shared responsibility, and compliance with Sharia principles. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Izwana binti Muhammad Mahmud and my metric number is 083861. In this slide, I will present two education Takaful products offered by Takaful operators in Malaysia, namely Ikhlas Ilhamku by Takaful Ikhlas and the Family Takaful Madani Plan by Etika Takaful. The first product is Ikhlas Ilhamku, which combines three key elements: saving, protection, and rewards. It helps parents save for their children's future education while providing financial protection if the parent passes away or suffers from permanent disabilities. What makes this product unique is its excellence rewards, where children can receive cash incentives for achievements in academic, sports, music, and Quran-related studies. The plan also provides a special payout at age 13 and a fund value payout between age 18 and 25 to support educational expenses. The second product is Etika's Family Takaful Madani Plan, where it focuses on providing structured education funding throughout a children's academic journey. The plan offers 500 ringgit education celebration payout at a primary or secondary school completion, two separate cash payouts of 10% of the covered amount before maturity, and a maturity benefit of 130% of the covered amount plus potential investment returns. It also includes death and total permanent disabilities coverage to ensure education funding remains secure. Overall, both products combine saving and protection based on Sharia principles. However, Ikhlas Ilhamku places greater emphasis on rewarding children's achievement, while Etika Madani focuses more on structured financial supports at key educational milestones.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Umran bin Muhammad Hamzah and my metric number is 083734. And today I will be presenting on the challenges of education Takaful in Malaysia. First, one of the main challenges is that Takaful penetration in Malaysia is still lower compared to conventional insurance. This means fewer people are participating in Takaful education plans. Secondly, many consumers still prefer conventional education saving plans, and this is because they are more familiar with them and tend to trust them more due to long-term exposure in the market. And because of this, Takaful operators need to improve public awareness. They must also clearly highlight the advantages of Takaful, such as its Sharia compliance structure and ethical principle. Moving on to operational and regulatory challenges. Takaful operators face several issues. These include Sharia and legal matters such as wakalah fees, capital adequacy requirement, and the question of who owns the surplus and investment return. Another important challenges is the rising cost of education and inflation. This make it difficult for families to consistently maintain long-term contributions. As a result, some participants may stop contributing or even surrender their policies before they reach maturity, which affects both the participant and the Takaful operators. So in conclusion, while education Takaful has many benefits, these challenges must be addressed to ensure it becomes more widely accepted and sustainable in Malaysia. So the next part is about recommendation to improve education Takaful in Malaysia. First, improving claims management is very important. Takaful operators should enhance their operational efficiency, especially in handling claims. This will help ensure that participants receive their benefit faster and with fewer complications. Digital platform can also play a key role by using online systems. Families can easily submit claims, track their claim status, and reduce paperwork and processing delays. This makes the whole process more convenient and user-friendly. In addition, staff should be properly trained. Well-trained staff can handle claims more efficiently and professionally, which improves customer satisfaction and trust in Takaful operators. Moving on, Takaful products must also adapt to economic challenges. Education Takaful should consider rising tuition fees and inflation, which affect many families today. To address this, flexible contribution plans can be introduced so that participants can adjust payment according to their financial situation. Government subsidies and integration with national education savings programs can also help make education Takaful more affordable and accessible. Finally, regulators should encourage innovation in Takaful models while ensuring that all products remain fully Sharia compliant. In conclusion, this improvement can make education Takaful more efficient, flexible, and relevant to current economic conditions. Thank you.
As for conclusions, education Takaful is a promising financial tool that helps secure children's educational future while following Sharia principles. It combines savings and financial protection, giving families peace of mind during uncertain situations. The success of education Takaful depends on First, the transparent communication. Second, the efficient claims management. And lastly, the strong regulatory oversight. Public awareness campaigns are important to help families understand the benefits of TAKAFUL compared to conventional insurance. Flexible contribution scheme and adaptation to rising education costs are also necessary to ensure affordability and sustainability. By improving clarity, efficiency, awareness, and affordability, education TAKAFUL can become a reliable and trusted solution for family financial planning while upholding Islamic values. So that's all for our group. Thank you.